igama lami nguMajaha or nguMnumzane Ngalo Majaha. Igama lami nguMajaha wakwaZwane. La Siphofane ngivele kusekhaya. Siphofaneni-ke mina bonke lesiniphuko singiphe ngokunamhlanje usebenza ibhizinisi ngikuthethe la Siphofaneni ngayisekela la Siphofaneni yakhula-ke khona la Siphofaneni. Ibhizinisi yami ikhule yaqala ini? Okay, sothi at first sake lapha kuthiwa eMangweni lapha technology land. So nasicala sacala lapho sithengisa emaveji siwathatha siwagciphisele kubomali. Then went to bangakhona-ke kusebenza ukuthi kwase kuvulwa naleliya lapha sinathenga slave. So nakuvulwa slave washiphisa kakhulu slave ngempilo. So ngase ngisaphonda ukuyibona le mali. Ngavula sitolo kamaZinga sekuthiwa sathi loteklima. So nasisuka-ke loteklima sase sesicala-ke i-supply general supply lapha ePolweni nasedibhedlela lesiyendaweni. Then kwashada imoto yami ngibona ukuthi kwenza kakhulu sase sesiwasha imoto. Shothi nje currently nje sikwendawo la Siphofana singathiwa kwa-Brookyard la khona ngale ngesheya sase sakha i-complex ngale onakho konke kwayo yokufaka lapho futhi nje supermarket pharmacy nako konke lokunye nakusalungu. Then went to senda i-public transport. Currently sisebenzisa timoto leti layisha Seaview. We have about 6 nyalo then lokunye-ke esikwenako i-feed lot. We also do ithengwa nakuthengisa timoto. So cishe currently ngiloko but-ke timoto siyathenga sithengise. So which is part of my business esiwenzayo. I-success yakho enkulu kube yini? Success nje it was peak. I-peak level i-general supply esisebenzele before ayisafani nanyalo. Naletikolo samixa kuto batime basabhadala etikolweni before uhulumeni ngathi utababhadalela. So besikhona ukuthi uthengise ukusebenzele. Also ukuthenga imoto for a lot of money. Buy imoto leshayisekile uyabuya uyilungisa uyatopapa. Iyakha kakhulu. I remember at one point khona uNtayitha 7 ilungisa ngale-11,000 August. Within August bengiyilungisile le moto then somebody came athi ngicela le moto nayo ngingahamba kanye ngayo aphethe 150. So at that point shothi nje kulesuku within emalanga lathi within imali bese sesikhonile ukuthi siyakhe lowo 69 esakubona ngithi smart. Isho ukuthini la success lengaka la kuyo? Mainly possible. Possible to everybody. Possible. Just that people baneshisekelo bethi shisekelo yokuhamba bayosebenza. Look, ine mistake qabanga ukuthi kunendoda lenkulu okuthiwa nguhulumeni. Itofike la endlini bantotothele bangene bese baniketa something. They don't want to go out bahambe bayosibela. That is the main thing. Because even nyama with everything going on, if you can say Nyalo, blame Hulumende, but do you have a formula for that farm? They are rejected. So that you can come with you and don't blame us someone. Oh, blame because and inform them if I didn't like fun. You'll find will not say Chiga and Nazwa. No, that you'll find fix this up until always was work like that. So the problem here, they don't want to go the process you do with it. Abafuni, go hamper the process here, which is what back and forth. Nobody can just give you man without verifying more, So the problem then was people they don't want to go out there. Bazang, Uzama, we have tried, we have failed multiple times. Like in ship, we had that show, Wafia slave worship, but we never said because you sing that slave, let's just sit at the gates. No, we say let's push, let's make it out, let's try, let's need to any alternative, let's number, see. So amathuba and they are there, but people they don't want to pour out there for the church.
Nakhona ama-failures nakhona besides ukuthi kule-competition. So lamanye ama-players lo ngazange wawabona wena lafika kushaya khona endlini.
No, I'm afraid that's they are always there. Excel with Lom 70. Lom 70 Lona at one time. I spent about 37 on a man. See this smaller 8,000. So we have about then take part. Lom 70 now comes out to say to why? Because whenever I see 7 I see it as a bisele move. I see it as a charity. Mduna katokhala kimali ngibona as a party. Ngibona as somebody okay if because I let me help lo move because I know what it is in life. I know what it is ulala unaitrensi. Udumala alternative. I know shit, I know aspect. So le tiko letinkulu letikhulu kakhulu child ngithi lo whenever I want to do something, you are trying to do something. People abasakuboni ukusebenza bakubone ukucampaign for the next term. So that's the challenge with Lumsebenzi. Whenever you are going out with your heart to do the Lumsebenzi, people babona ukucampaign. Bona abakuboni kungumsebenzi lokufuna uku-appreciate. So that's the thing which I think kufike kulimatane kakhulu. You do something instead of umuntu appreciate akubone kungale ndlela. Business wise vele kuyayilimala because ukufika kwasemihlanganweni le ndawo thina ikubhadala. So kungenela amafoni lakufuna kubhadala. Then ungakhona kwababa. Naso kuyela I remember ama meeting ngathi ngiyaphuma ngakhanza bekunabona in training schools. So you're trying to go back but ngenala amasha. So don't ungakhona kwabamba labantu. Naso ngidibana nalomuntu ngathi ngidibana nalomunyathi wena bekunemsebenzi ngifuna ukukuniketa wona but bese nginiketa labantu ababamba iqhinga lami. If you look at the value of the meeting lobo yokuthi ubuyelana good but uluzele imali lokuzayo. So vele umsebenzi ka-affect which is something I would say people banga these offices langasho nje ukuthi uhambe wasebenza usebenza but what go somewhere like yeah.
So encourage abantu abasha so ungafisa kukhunjulwa ngani because never don't place of impact. So ungafisa kukhunjulwa ngani maybe nje basic team of office there. And also as businessmen nje in general
I want to be known as umuntu lakhona. I think till 4 or 5 classes stuck here within 2 years. Letinye sidakhile with the help of labanye letinye sadakha from ama-resources e-company. So ngifuna ukuhunjulwa ngako more than anything. Ukuthi uyathi mayebeka sisida maye wakhona kusisida ngesikhathi sakhe. That one I think mangakhona abantu because I want to do something without ngalelanga if my ubona umntwana amahamba endleleni anethwe, you can stop umlayishe uthi no, because of me. And not because of him, but because of me, no, I'm going. So I want to do that thing. I want to move and I to go na yani wakhona bokusita. Labanye uyakhona kwasita kakhuluma mhlambe ngama networks lapha nalapha noma ama finances. Just ukuthi maye abeka khona ukuthi abe usito with. That is the thing from somewhere and we where we try to nobody made a column card. I take my car, some is this far, some is this far just to level up. So that thing gave me balance for the company because you told the company that that's why I didn't matter but for next week we were on part. So many men this is a corner goes and the also with Nalama Charlie seven on how to never see me as a boss. We see each other is man left now to see seven the Then is why every day we matter. I'm so look how can we do it? Come here, what to know I spend this, so I spend this, so I spend this, so which is something we do every day. Now I'm so look on how to check it. Best exercise and then that move. So I want to be known as leader, learners and selfish. Like my employees, I want them to know what as much as Angapuan was with the system meeting number 7 point. We must always check things. Go level able to see you call and to see proper to the social level. To push it to be I have motivated. That is why most of them the binding were vet from 2015. Solo surrender at the now. Good and I look okay. This comes for surrender now.
Simple.